spoke of the wonderful memories, and who better than Vishal to take this forward. I'll only say, only I can understand your pain, brother. It's tough being a president, and
Yeah,
you've done pretty well. Well
thank
done,
you.
bro.
Thank you so much.
Always,
Thank you.
always there for you, brother. Cheers.
Thank you. I know that.
Sorry, I think Jalpa's next. Yeah, there you are. Go ahead, Jalpa.
Okay, I'm visible there. Okay, I actually would like to read something from Christopher Robin's Winnie the Pooh. And I just thought this is so apt for Ankesh. So Ankesh, there you go. What I like to do is nothing. How do you do nothing? Asked Pooh after he wondered for a very long time. Well, it is when people call out at you just as you're off to do it. What are you going to do, Christopher Robin? Pooh asked. Christopher Robin looks at Pooh and he says, oh, you say I'm doing nothing, and then you go ahead and do it.
Nice.
Thank you, Jappy. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you so much for being there.
Navya, you're next.
Okay, so I've not written down anything because I told everybody that I'll be informed to being a theater actor.
That's true.
So, I still remember when Ankesh and I were coming to the Rotary Meeting Club. It was Anjal's year, and I asked Ankesh that next year you're going to be the president, and you're a doctor, you're a gynac, and so much things to do. How will you manage? He was tense, he was stressed, but he said one thing that it's okay, I'll manage, I'll learn. And I also remember Gaurav, telling him that it's like an MBA because it's how we both all were talking. And I have to say that I'm stunned the way he has managed. He has represented our club, even when he became a father, and the next or the day after that he went for a presentation or a project to Malad, like he said. And I was shocked that I've never seen so much of commitment, I've never seen so much of compassion, I've never seen so much of balancing act that Ankesh has done. And Ankesh, and today I'm saying this to the entire club, that Malvika always complains to me that learn something from Ankesh. I do not know what magic you have done to her, I don't know what it's it. And but yeah, so Ankesh, thank you so much, always there for you. I'll take 10 bullets for you. And yeah,
I know that.
Okay, yeah, take care. Buddy.
Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Jaya, you're next.
The medical camp was the next day after the OCV, the next morning.
Yeah.
Malad East. Yeah.
Hi, everybody. It's really overwhelming to listen to, and the account what Ankesh has really, told us about. It's really moving. Ankesh, it's really time to celebrate you. And I must say, I really found you an underdog. I mean, you look like a kind of a Chikna Bollywood chocolatey boy or Hollywood star, something like that.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Yeah. But I really got to see your grit and your toughness while working with you. And I was really very impressed with that. I must say I had a very thrilling year, and it was a great joy to work with a loving team which always shared an amazing solidarity. And I don't want to forget to mention all the coastliners who were always liberal with their support, with their, throughout. And it was really good to see such a kind of a teamwork. And I just want to say that it was a very amazing year for all of us. You really set a very good example. I have reflections of Ankesh, of his moods during this journey of his being president. And it is, but I have all it in Bollywood style. And it is very unusual of me to do it before everybody, but it's very difficult for me to stop also, because whenever something happened, I could always imagine some Bollywood, number. So when it was when Ankesh was not a president, I always felt like this guy is like a bhati hawa sa hai wo, kahan gaya use dhoondho. And when he became a president, and amidst all the meetings, there were disagreements or disputes and something, I used to look at Ankesh and I always used to find him. Golmaal hai, bhai sab golmaal hai, golmaal hai. And I used to like, man is like evolving, because what he is and what he's learning and what he's evolving and what he's coping up with was very different. And I cannot forget something which was, early morning post on our board group or something, and it was like a big boss message, enough to ruin everybody's day.
Yeah, that's Abhay always. Yeah.
And it was Ankesh. I could imagine, life out of control, ho to ko karke go, city baja ke bol, all is well. So I have seen Ankesh, evolving as a person. Everybody knows he's a professional, a surgeon. For him, this is, I think, a very new world to step into and to really accomplish it very beautifully. So we are really proud of you, not only to know you, but to see you as a different person for all better. And I just wish all peace, happiness, and success to everybody, and especially to you, Ankesh, always in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jaya. Thanks for everything.
Dhwani, you're next.
Everybody. I've actually penned down a poem for Ankesh and Namrata, which I'm going to post on the Zoom as well as the other group. And we've made a little video for everybody to see, which also I'm going to post at both the places. Thank you, everybody. And a big thank you from all the coastliners to the district dignitaries who are here today. And I love you all. RCMC rocks.
Yes.
Almitra, you're next.
Yeah, I think Gaurav had set very high benchmarks for the president. But Ankesh, I still remember that first board meeting when, you were so crisp with your timing and everything. And I'm like, ye to Gaurav ke to aage pehle hi nikal gaya hai. So I think you've done a fantastic job. I'm really happy that I was a part of your team, and I've really learned a lot from you. I think the trickiest and the most difficult part of president is to manage relations in the club, and I think you've done a fantastic job. I think everyone is in still love with you when you manage all kinds of situations so fantastically. Lots to learn from you. Great here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Almitra. Thank you so much.
Kavit would like to say a few words.
Ankesh, this is extremely impromptu. I just decided 2 minutes back, but I had to speak for you. It's been an amazing year. I mean, even if somebody didn't know you at all, just logged into this meeting and heard that speech of yours, those 5-10 minutes tells one the person that you are, all heart, so natural, and you've been an exemplary leader. There's a lot to learn from you, so calm on the exterior, and yet the work that is happening is phenomenal,
Yeah,
really lots to learn from you. And I can very proudly tell everybody that I'm a part of a club where Ankesh is the leader.
My God.
Hats off to you. Yeah. Hats off to you.
But Kavit, how much you contributed to every project. People have to learn from you. I have to learn from you. There's no one like you.
No.
Okay.
You're being humble. Take care, man.
Thank you.
Our mentor, Suketu, would you like to say a few words?
He's left, I think.
He's there.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi,
guys. So sorry, I was in the background listening to everything, but since I've met Ankesh at the beginning of the year and long before that, I can definitely tell you he's come a long way. He's come a long way in terms of understanding and learning. I still remember the 3 o'clock afternoon meetings we used to have over coffee, and usually he would turn up very shaken. मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या हो रहा है. I don't know how to handle this.
That is true. That is true.
And from that point onwards, he and Namrata have come a long way in terms of confidence, in terms of achieving what they have set out to aspire and dream. And he's led the club fantastic. I mean, of course, it's a tough job, as Gaurav said. Being a president is very difficult, and to lead the leaders itself is a big challenge. So hats off to you, Ankesh and Namrata. A fantastic job. You've led your team super well. And I see that knowing you on a personal scale was a lot different, because I saw that innocence and the clarity in your feelings and in your heart. So it's like really you wanted to do something. And at no point did I see that you had any personal agenda or any personal, motives behind it. It's you just wanted to lead and make everyone happy. And of all the friends you've made, I promise you've made me also as a very good friend. And I look forward when you go up in district levels, I can be there with you whenever you need me.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for being there always.
AG Rajesh ji, would you like to say a few words?
Yes. Ankesh, you've been a terrific president to your club and also a great one at the district. I think you led the club, all the work that you did from the front, irrespective of whether it was new, you knew, and you had a lot of people surrounding you who were all Rotarians, whether it was Gaurav or whether it was Abhay or whether it was your dad or your mom and everyone and me, and you had a lot of people and you had to find your way from amongst them also at times. I remember, and I wish you all the best, Ankesh. You have done very well for yourself. You have led the team very well, and your team has also done.
Thank you for all your guidance, AG. Thank you for everything.
Now I would like the producer of Ankesh to say a few words.
Abhay, I think my parents have to be told to unmute.
Yeah, unmuted.
Yeah, fine. I can talk to them and they can tell me. I'll say something about my parents before this. So,
Okay, I'm muting them now.
yeah, so basically, I was becoming the president and I was having my installation, and everybody along with asking me how you want to manage being a doctor is that why you're worried? You have two presidents at home, you have your mother, you have your father. But do you know, when you have your parents as president, it's a good thing. But also, it's a very high precedence at home also. I already had Gaurav and Anjal in the club. Agar wo kafi nahi tha, I have my parents over here. But one thing is there. When you're motivated, when you have some precedent, some comparison, you always do better. And many of my ideas, of course, from Suketu, from the AG, from the district itself, from the board members. But my parents, after observing them and hearing them, they kept knew what I was doing and they kept pushing me to do more and more. And that's the result. Even the lockdown, I didn't sit down. During the lockdown, I was working on the COVID project. And it was amazing. And I really feel accomplished today. We have 7 days more to go. I don't think I can do anything very big now, but I know how it's done. I know when it's done, and I know how to impact the project now. And this is really what I've learned in this year.
God bless you. Like to say something.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Ankesh, I think he's having audio issues.
Papa, you can unmute yourself.
Unmuted. He's unmuted.
Yes, I am unmuted. I must tell you, Ankesh, you have made us proud. Malti and I are proud for whatever you have done. And I must also tell you your success, what you have got, as you got a citation of Platinum Club. Your team is so very strong. The members in your club are so much with you. The biggest thing what you learn is to take everybody along with you. And that is why you are a winner today. God bless you. Always win. And we are with you to support you, and your members are your friends, your family for life now.
Yeah.
All Coastline members, thank you so much for being with Ankesh and making it so big. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I forgot about the platinum citation, so that's a big achievement again. I have to say. Thank you, Papa. So I spoke about everyone, all the directors. I spoke about everyone's personal situation with me, but getting the grant reimbursement and the platinum citation were the best two events that occurred in the month of June. And it's been amazing. And I'm so proud that we have happened to get both. And that's all I had to say about that.
Now we would like a person who gave you the citation to say a few words. DG, please, a few words.
I think DG has, I think he excused himself.
No, no.
He's back. Great. Lovely. Hi, DG.
Yeah, one second.
Yeah.
Smart President Ankesh, it's a pleasure to be amidst all of you once again this evening. Though not in the best of circumstances, I would have wished that we meet in person as you're signing off this wonderful year. You have provided exemplary leadership to your club. You've led with distinction, you've led with charisma, you've led with aplomb. You know, when I had come for your installation, I saw a very charged young group of professionals who wanted to do something in society. And by the time I came for your OCV, which was pretty early in the year, I had already seen those ideas being put into action. You know, the way I look at your club, you guys are great potential. And as they say in management parlance, there is a slight difference between potential to perform and perform to potential. Your club has a great potential to perform. Each one of you is a leader in their own right. And I'm just looking forward to that day in the next year or so when your club will rise to the occasion, perform to the expected potential of the district, what we expect from you, and reach greater heights in the district. I tell you, I really envy the kind of membership that you have. I envy the kind of bonding and the kind of communication that you have. I would love to be a part of the fellowship which you guys enjoy. As you sign off, Ankesh, I know you and I are both having withdrawal symptoms.
True, absolutely.
Yeah, but let me just assure you that I will demit office as the district governor of this district on 30th June midnight, and so will you. But let me assure you, my friends, I will continue to be a grassroots Rotarian. I will continue to be a friend of Mumbai coastline, and I am available to Vishal and anybody for anything that you think I can contribute towards your club. As you bask in the glory of the great work that you've done, Ankesh, as you cherish the fond memories of the great year that you have led with distinction, let me just share these 4 lines with you. कहते हैं दोस्तों, दिन बीत जाएंगे सुहानी याद बनकर, बातें रह जाएंगी एक कहानी बनकर. दिन बीत जाएंगे सुहानी याद बनकर, बातें रह जाएंगी एक कहानी बनकर, मगर दोस्त तो हमेशा रहेंगे दिल के करीब. मगर दोस्त तो हमेशा रहेंगे दिल के करीब, कभी होंठों की मुस्कान और कभी आंखों की नमी बनकर. So cherish these relationships that you built over the year. Projects will happen. You know, I am so happy. I always say, with my 27 years experience in Rotary, that in the first couple of years that a club is in existence, the biggest project for the club is to grow its membership, to assimilate its membership. Everything else is immaterial in the initial period. But you have not only done that, you have also done great projects.
Thank you so much, sir.
So you have been phenomenal as a leader. And I must compliment the proud parents sitting right there, Dr. Raju, for giving such an exceptional leader to Rotary District 3141, and I am confident he will rise and shine in Rotary just like you have. Let me at this point in time compliment and congratulate Divya for being a strong pillar of strength and support in encouraging you to perform the way you have performed. I'm sure this would not have been possible without her support. So do convey my greetings and good wishes to her.
100%, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And before I conclude, for each one of you attending this meeting today, let me tell you, friends, like I said, I'm available to you 24/7. रोटरी की राहों में तुम्हें जो गम मिलेंगे, मेरे हौसलों से कम मिलेंगे। रोटरी की राहों में तुम्हें जो गम मिलेंगे, मेरे हौसलों से कम मिलेंगे। खुद को तन्हा पाओ कभी, कसम रोटरी की और कसम दोस्ती की, बस याद करना और सामने हम मिलेंगे।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, DG.
I'm available to you 24/7. Thank you, my friends, for inviting Romy and me.
Thank you, DJ, and first lady.
Thank you, Harjeet ji.
Thank you.
Thanks for blessings for my son and all the good things you said. And I am seeing Rumi is also appearing on the side.
Yes, she's here.
How are you?
How are you?
I wanted to see your face.
Yes, she's here.
God bless. God bless.
Good night.
Thank you, Romy. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Congratulations.
Thank you for being there.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Hi and congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Very happy to hear you talk. Bye-bye.
See you, Rumi. Nice to see you both together.
Yeah.
And you all did a wonderful year, I must say. You have made our district proud. You have made our district proud. And we need leaders like you in future also.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Namrata, you can go over if you are done with members speaking, can we go over to the sectional announcements?
Yeah, actually, when you were away, I made them, but I'll make them again, no problem.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. So,
Yeah.
18th of June, we had two anniversaries, two lovely, beautiful couples celebrating their anniversaries. One was Pranav and Doctors Pranav and Rachna Agarwal, and the other was Vikram and Juhi Chedda. On
Happy anniversary, guys. Belated.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
On 22nd June, as I mentioned, Maya Building, first floor, we have a huge party courtesy Abhay. Monica sab tayar rakha. Okay, so 22nd June is the last birthday for our year 1920, Ankesh. And our attendance is 41 coastliners and 10 guests. That brings us to 51 total members. That's all from the secretarial board for the year. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Just a little vote of thanks from my end. Guys, don't leave. Where's Vishal? So guys, this being the last meeting of the year, almost the last, we'll update you on the next meeting. Obviously, I have 7 days remaining. I will not go so easily. Like I said, I don't want withdrawal symptoms, as DG was saying, but So the next president is Vishal Jain. Now we are, it's going to be so amazing. I've seen Vishal work in his office. I have seen him handle a lot of his busy work and his plant and his projects and his staff, and what exceptional management skills Vishal has got. Already, I think Vishal's board is excellent. They've already had their DOP, they've had their training. Gaurav has been a part of their training. And I have to say that it's going to be a great year. It's only unfortunate that we won't have a real Rotary year as far as meetings and fellowships and projects. I hope and pray that the lockdown and the condition of the pandemic improves. Only then we'll realize the real value of being in Rotary again. Till then, we'll have to be on Zoom. And I hope and pray that all the number of cases and the sufferings reduce. I hope all our families are safe. Nothing really happens to anyone we know or of us. And I just hope that we remain the same Rotary family we've been for life. And we keep on growing more and more as a club. And I have to say that I love each and every one of you. I've always mentioned right from the first year, you guys are an extension of my family. I hope even our children are friends like how we are friends today. And, I just want to say a personal goodbye to everyone I can see on screen. I can see Ayush, Aneri together. So nice. This has been the most successful love story of my year. Not my love story, but your love story. And, it's so nice. And I've already shared the entire story of Ayush, Aneri. And I am so happy. And I want to thank, along with Karan, I want to thank Aditya Mehta and Ayush for inducting all the beautiful girls in our club. There are so many girls. We've had Priyanka Sathe, we've had Riya Nain, we have Aneri, we have Namrata Gulati, we've had Neeti Churiwala. These are all the girls. We had guys also, but all the beautiful girls have come into here because of Karan, Ayush and Aditya, I would have to say. And, it's this is me being candid myself. So I see I see Varshita, Vedant. I think these guys are the happiest and the funniest guys I know. They really know how to have a party. I see Kalpesh, a real donor for the club. Kalpesh has never shied away. Any project, anything announced, I get a Paytm or a screenshot from Kalpesh. He's a silent worker and he's a silent donor. He doesn't want to be announced. I'm going to name him today. Also, I have to. Dad, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, yeah, that was the disturbance happening over here. So ideally, we've had a great set of donors. I just want to acknowledge the donors for the district grant project. We've had Access Electricals and Sahil. I don't think Sahil is here. Then we've had Vishal Jain, who doesn't want to be named, but I've named you Vishal. Jo karna hai